Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with toolnut.com. Today we have the new Milwaukee M18 Fuel Wet Dry Bag. So there's a couple different models of this, which I'll hit on in a minute here. Primarily though, for this video, we're gonna be going over the 6-gallon version of this new vacuum system, basically. So like I said, 6-gallon, it's an M18. This is only sold, by the way, let's start with that like I always do, as a bare tool, meaning, so right now this only comes with the vacuum. And what I'm going to show you here, it does not come with the battery, it does not come with the charger. You would have to be part of the M18 system to use that. So I'm going to put the battery back in here. So 6 gallons. The other two versions of this is going to be a 9-gallon and a 12-gallon. The 6-gallon takes one M18 battery. The 9 and 12 gallons will take 2 M18 batteries. The other battery would go here on that. Basically, the only other difference on those other two vacuums is going to be the bottom tray height. So the 9-gallon will be slightly higher, 12-gallon will be slightly higher than that. So let's go through what else this comes with. So this is going to come with, obviously, the head unit here, the power head right there. You're going to get the 6-gallon bottom tray. You're going to get the cart with this. Real easy to remove it. In, locks in there to the base, carry handle. This comes with a 1 7/8" by 9-foot hose. So this hose, 2 times the life, crush proof. They really went through this, listened to what everyone was saying about existing vacs that are out in the market, and that was one of the biggest ones. So up to 2 times the life of any other vacuum hose on the market right now. So 1 7/8" by 9 feet. Just very simple twist lock here. This is the in. You do also have an out port. So if I put this in here and I turn on the vacuum, it acts like a blower. So you could blow off stuff. You can also use this to vent, depending on what material you are vacuuming. Sometimes there's a smell. So let's say you would want to get a second hose, obviously. So you'd have the inlet here vacuuming up, and then you could take your second hose on the outlet and put it out a window or a door. So pretty cool feature there. That's the hose. You're going to get 2 1 7/8" extension wands with that. And you can see they store there on the vac. Then you have storage here, and it also comes with an 1 7/8" utility floor nozzle or upholstery tool. And then you also have a crevice tool on that, which actually this has to go in first. That goes in second. All right, let's open it up here. Nice and easy. So it does come with the high efficiency filter there. And then you can see I already put a bag in it. The bag does not come in with it, but we'll go through the accessories that you can get for this in another second here. So it does come with the filter. Bag is not included, but you can get those separately. All right. So on this, on a 12 amp hour 18-volt battery, you'll get up to 47 minutes of runtime with small debris, or up to 31 minutes on large debris. 31 minutes is roughly about 1,000 square feet. The 47-minute runtime is about 1,300 square feet. So really well made. Top carry handle here. It's 87 CFM at 60 foot of suction. And I think that's it. Oh, the wheels. That's the other thing that they really went over that people complained about on most vacs are the wheels. So these will be up to 8 times the life. You can see they're treaded. They go over like extension cords, a lot easier, and bumps on the floor. Real heavy duty. They're also locked in really well. That was the other complaint. When you lift up a vacuum, that these fall out. And then you can see they're all lockable and they're all swivel. So that is probably the biggest things to go over on this. A lot of the other specs and info is on our website, so go there and check that out. Let's hit on the accessories now. So like I mentioned before, you're going to have these fleece bags. They come in packs of 5. These are available for 6-gallon, 9-gallon, and 12-gallon. always buy these. This is your first filter in the vacuum, all right? Very important. God forbid you forget to put the other filter back in there. There's a hole in the other filter. You don't have one of these in there. The dust, especially the finer dust like concrete dust, drywall dust, that goes up in the motor, you're gonna ruin it, all right? Obviously, you're not gonna use those bags when you're using this as a wet vacuum, which brings us to the next accessories here. So you can buy a wet foam filter separately, is available. And you also have a HEPA filter, which you can buy as an add-on accessory. Air tips, really cool. A couple dozen of these. If you go to the site and check them out, I have a few here to show. The first one being, which we did another video on, this is a dust collector. So when you connect this to the hose, let's just do it real quick. This will suck against the wall. And then if you're the downdraft, so if I'm drilling, cutting into drywall or other material, it's gonna suck the material down, and you can see it directs it into the vacuum. So that's probably one of my favorite and our biggest selling air tip accessories so far from Milwaukee. And then, like I said, there's a couple dozen of these. This one's pretty cool. Has a magnetic strip here, so it will pick up nails, staples, whatever else is laying around the site, and put it on the strips instead of going up in the vacuum. This one's really cool too. It's a powered head. Runs off the M12 battery. Fuel gauge, LED lights, spinning bristles there. Really cool on that. You know, and you would just connect that to there, and then this angles depending on what you're vacuuming up. With the air tip, I should mention, claim to fame also, this will fit 3 different size hoses. So you have 2.5, 1 7/8, and 1 1/4. I believe I got that right on the sizes there. So it'll fit any other brand hoses or tubes on the market. You don't have to just use Milwaukee. So like I said, a couple dozen of those on the site. Check those out. And then here is their accessory bag, which you can clip down to the top of the vac. And you can see here, I already put a couple of the other air tip accessories here in the bag. Lots of different ones. Here's a right angle, a couple different nozzles that come with that. Swivel head. This is great for your car. Different bristles come with that too in that set. And this is cool. So, okay, cool. Yeah, they made a round brush, but they changed it. Instead of the bristles going around the edges here, you can see that will generally push the material away. With this, you're not pushing the material. It directs right in with the X there. So, you know, redesigned attachments, really cool. And then here's the other one that you can get. So check these out. This is just a few of these. There are a couple packages on toolnut.com that we made. There's also some though that Milwaukee made where you can get a couple of air tips in this bag to stow on top of your vacuum. I think that's it. For any other specs and information, or if you want to order this now, go to toolnut.com.